Welcome back. We're in ultimate bodge mode at the moment, so I've just debadged the back end of Henny. Scraped the gluey bits off with a black scrapey thing that I've put down somewhere. With a black scrapey thing. And a bit of acetone. Then I've flattened off where the badges were with a bit of 2000 grit sandpaper, which again I've put here. Yeah, 2000 grit sandpaper. So at the moment it's looking a bit milky. I'll show you. That's another Henny job done, and yeah, we'll get on to flattening this back later this week.